This tutorial is going to look at the UK's corporate insolvency procedures. The law relating to insolvency matters is principally contained in the Insolvency Act 1986, which we will refer to as the 1986 Act, together with the new Insolvency England and Wales Rules 2016, which we will refer to as the 2016 Rules. When a company becomes insolvent or faces financial difficulties, its business and assets will usually be controlled by an insolvency practitioner. It's often central to determine whether a company is insolvent, as consequences under insolvency law flow from that. The 1986 Act does not define insolvency itself, but rather expresses the concept in the phrase unable to pay its debts. Under Section 123 of the 1986 Act, a company is deemed unable to pay its debts if 1. It fails to comply with a demand for payment for a debt of over £750. 2. It fails to satisfy enforcement of a judgment debt. 3. The court is satisfied that the company is unable to pay its debts as they fall due, known as the cash flow test. Or 4. The court is satisfied that the liabilities of the company, including contingent and prospective liabilities, exceed the assets of the company, otherwise known as the balance sheet test.